Edexcel GCSE Foundation Maths Predicted Paper 1, the non-calculator paper. There are 20 questions covering a wide range of topics. I will read each question for you first, then work through the solution step by step. Let's begin. Write these numbers in order of size, smallest first, 0.45, 0.5, 0.405, 0.054. To compare these decimals, write each one with 3 decimal places so the columns line up perfectly. 0.450, 0.500, 0.405, 0.054. Compare the tenths column. 0.054 has 0 in the tenths, making it the smallest. Both 0.405 and 0.450 have 4 in the tenths. Compare hundredths. 0 versus 5. In the hundredths column, 0 is less than 5, so 0.405 comes before 0.450. 0.5 has 5 in the tenths, the largest of all. The correct order smallest to largest is 0.054, 0.405, 0.45, 0.5. Work out 3/4 plus 5/8. Give your answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. The lowest common multiple of 4 and 8 is 8. We use 8 as the common denominator. Multiply the top and bottom of 3/4 by 2. 3/4 equals 6/8. 6/8 plus 5/8 equals 11/8. Convert to a mixed number. 11 divided by 8 is 1 remainder 3. So the answer is 1 3/8. Already in simplest form since 3 and 8 share no common factors. The answer is 1 3/8. A jacket costs £85. It is reduced by 20% in a sale. Work out the sale price. Find 10% of £85. Divide by 10. 10% equals £8.50. 20% is double 10%. 2 times £8.50 equals £17. Subtract the reduction from the original. 85 minus 17 equals £68. The sale price is £68. Share £360 in the ratio 3:5. Work out each share. Add the parts of the ratio. 3 plus 5 equals 8 parts in total. Divide 360 by 8. 1 part equals £45. 3 parts. 3 times 45 equals £135. 5 parts. 5 times 45 equals £225. Check. 135 plus 225 equals 360. Correct. The two shares are £135 and £225. Expand and simplify 3 times bracket 2x plus 5 minus 2 times bracket x minus 4. Multiply everything inside the first bracket by 3. 3 times 2x equals 6x. 3 times 5 equals 15. Multiply everything inside the second bracket by -2. -2 times x equals -2x. -2 times -4 equals +8. Collect the x terms. 6x minus 2x equals 4x. Collect the number terms. 15 plus 8 equals 23. The answer is 4x plus 23. Here are the first 5 terms of a sequence: 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Find an expression for the nth term. Find the difference between consecutive terms. It is 3 each time, a constant common difference of 3. Because the common difference is 3, the nth term begins with 3n. When n equals 1, 3n gives 3, but the first term is 5. We need to add 2. 5 minus 3 equals 2, so we add 2 to 3n. The nth term is 3n plus 2. Find the area of a trapezium with parallel sides 6 cm and 10 cm, and perpendicular height 8 cm. The formula for the area of a trapezium is a half times the sum of the parallel sides times the perpendicular height. Substitute the values in. A half times bracket 6 plus 10 times 8. 6 plus 10 equals 16. A half times 16 equals 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. The area of the trapezium is 64 centimeters squared. Work out the size of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. The sum of interior angles equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 times 180 equals 540 degrees. Regular means all angles are equal. Divide by 5. 540 divided by 5 equals 108 degrees. Each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. A bag contains 4 red, 6 blue, and 2 green counters. 1 counter is chosen at random. Find the probability of choosing a blue counter. Total number of counters. 4 plus 6 plus 2 equals 12. There are 6 blue counters out of 12 total. Divide top and bottom by 6. 6 over 12 simplifies to 1/2. The probability of choosing a blue counter is 1/2. A frequency table shows goals scored in 20 matches. Goals 0, 1, 2, 3, with frequencies 4, 7, 6, 3. Calculate the mean number of goals per match. Multiply each goal's value by its frequency. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 7 equals 7. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 3 equals 9. Add all the products. 0 plus 7 plus 12 plus 9 equals 28 goals. Divide the total goals by the total matches. 28 divided by 20 equals 1.4. The mean number of goals per match is 1.4. Work out 4.7 multiplied by 0.3. Ignore the decimal points for now. 47 times 3 equals 141. Count the total decimal places in both numbers. 1 plus 1 equals 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 141 becomes 1.41. 4.7 times 0.3 equals 1.41. 5 pencils cost £1.20. How much do 8 pencils cost? Find the cost of 1 pencil. £1.20 divided by 5 equals 24 pence. Multiply by 8. 8 times 24 pence equals £1.92. 8 pencils cost £1.92. An L-shaped figure has outer dimensions 10 cm by 8 cm. A 4 cm by 3 cm rectangle is cut from one corner. Find the perimeter. An L-shape has 6 sides. 2 of them are the inner sides created by removing the corner. The missing horizontal side equals 10 minus 4 equals 6 centimeters. The missing vertical side equals 8 minus 3 equals 5 centimeters. Add all 6 sides. 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 equals 36 centimeters. The perimeter of the L-shaped compound shape is 36 centimeters. A straight line passes through the points 0, 2 and 4, 10. Write the equation of the line in the form y equals mx plus c. The point 0, 2 lies on the y-axis, so the y-intercept c equals 2. Find the gradient using change in y divided by change in x. 10 minus 2 divided by 4 minus 0. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Substitute m equals 2 and c equals 2. The equation is y equals 2x plus 2. The equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 2. Solve 4x minus 3 is less than 21. Represent the solution on a number line. We solve the inequality 4x minus 3 is less than 21. Add 3 to both sides. 4x is less than 24. Divide both sides by 4. X is less than 6. Draw an open circle at 6, open because x cannot equal 6, with an arrow pointing to the left. The solution is x is less than 6. Open circle at 6 on the number line, arrow pointing left. A right-angled triangle has shorter sides 9 centimeters and 12 centimeters. Find the length of the hypotenuse. Pythagoras theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c is the hypotenuse. Substitute the two known sides. 9 squared is 81. 12 squared is 144. 81 plus 144 equals 225. Take the square root. The square root of 225 is 15. The hypotenuse is 15 centimeters. A triangular prism has a triangular cross-section with base 6 centimeters and height 4 centimeters. The prism is 10 centimeters long. Find the volume. Find the area of the triangular cross-section. A half times 6 times 4 equals 12 centimeters squared. Volume of a prism equals the cross-sectional area times the length. 12 times 10 equals 120 centimeters cubed. The volume is 120 centimeters cubed. A rectangle has length 3x plus 2 centimeters and width x plus 1 centimeters. Its perimeter is 30 centimeters. Find x. 2 times the length plus 2 times the width equals 30. Expand each bracket. Collect like terms. 8x plus 6 equals 30. Subtract 6 from both sides. Divide both sides by 8. X equals 3. The value of x is 3. Part A. Write 0.00456 in standard form. Part B. Write 3.2 times 10 to the power 4 as an ordinary number. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right to get a number between 1 and 10. That gives 4.56. The power is negative 3. The answer to part A is 4.56 times 10 to the power negative 3. A positive power of 10 means a large number. Move the decimal 4 places to the right. 3.2 becomes 32,000. Part A. 4.56 times 10 to the power negative 3. Part B. 32,000.